Irish moss has 15 essential elements, such as calcium, sulfur, iodine and potassium, along with vitamin A, D, E and K. It's used to help to treat bladder disorders, halitosis, bronchitis, intestinal disorders, glandular problems, swollen joints, thyroid conditions, lung difficulties, tumours, tuberculosis and ulcers. Studies show the Irish moss has antiviral properties and it helps to counteract the mumps virus and the influenza B virus. Anemia is the result of a low presence of hemoglobin and red blood cells in the body, and this affects the amount of oxygen that's transported in the blood. Anemia results in low levels of energy, and it also affects the body parts such as low immunity and poor brain function. The World Health Organization has evaluated that half of the anemia cases in the world are caused due to a deficiency of iron. Iron assists in the transport of oxygen to the cells, and it also assists the metabolic enzyme processes that are essential to absorb nutrients and to digest protein from food. Due to this, the iron deficiency leads to exhaustion, sluggish symptoms, and problems in being active. The deficiency can also result in mood changes, low concentration, and problems in muscle coordination. Iron is required for the movement of muscles. Iron is essential to support the functions of the brain as it supplies oxygen. About 20% of the oxygen is used by the brain. A deficiency in iron can lead to mental health and memory problems. In children and infants, an iron deficiency can result in cognitive abnormalities and psychomotor problems. A deficiency in iron delays the motor function, which helps to connect thoughts, movements, activities, processing, and learning new information. During pregnancy, an iron deficiency increases the chances of a premature birth and an underweight newborn. Premature births suffer from various health problems, such as cognitive development and a delay in growth, so it's advised to consume an adequate amount of iron-rich food. A study has shown that women with the highest intake of iron supplements had the lowest chances of low birth weight. Iron is required for the absorption of nutrients and digestion, as it plays a vital role in the processes of metabolic enzymes. Additionally, the iron transports oxygen to the damaged areas, such as damaged organs, tissues, and cells, which have a chance of developing disease or infection. Neurotransmitter function depends on the adequate amount of iron in the body, and this assists to maintain a positive mood. The mood is also dependent on the hormone balance, like dopamine, serotonin, and other hormones, and these cannot be properly synthesized in a brain due to the low presence of oxygen levels. Due to this, an iron deficiency can result in bad sleep, poor mood, low level of energy, as well as motivational problems. A deficiency in iron also results in restless leg syndrome, and this can lead to sleep problems. Iron assists in supplying oxygen to the muscles, and this lowers the muscle pain and the spasms. Irish moss has been used medicinally since 1830. It's used in medicinal teas, cough medicines, and for bronchitis. In Venezuela, Scotland, and Ireland, it's boiled with milk and added to honey to treat chest congestion and sore throats. In Jamaica, Trinidad, and Tobago, it's believed to possess an aphrodisiac property. It's used to treat pulmonary complaints, chronic diarrhea, dysentery, rickets, kidney and bladder irritation. It's used as a stabilizer and a suspension agent in medicinal creams and lotions. Irish moss is used to soothe and nourish the skin. It also soothes the mucous membranes of the digestive tract, and it also acts as a mild laxative. Irish moss is traditionally given as a nourishing food for invalids, and it's still used to boost the body when recovering from a serious illness due to its high content of important nutrients. It's used to treat bronchitis, typhoid problems, goiter, and to tone, as well as strengthen the glands. It's believed to provide relief from duodenal and peptic ulcers without any side effects on the colon. It can be used to treat digestive ailments like gastritis and stomach ulcers. Irish moss tea assists with indigestion, ulcers and gastritis. It also eases inflammation in the urinary system. It may create a mild irritation in the eyes. Irish moss possesses blood thinning properties, so it shouldn't be used by people who have a bleeding disorder. People with thyroid ailments should also avoid it because it has a high amount of iodine. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, or children, or people who have medical conditions should consult a doctor before use. Irish moss is a perfect alternative to gelatine. It acts as a gelling agent in stews, soups, gravies, as well as salad dressings. 1 cup of Irish moss can be added to 3 cups of water or milk, and then sugar and cinnamon can be added for flavour. It's also used as a stabiliser for dairy products, like sherbet, ice cream, yogurt, chocolate milk and whipped cream. To learn more about herbs, supplements and natural treatment plans, check out my website.